Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Yanni. I hope that you guys have had a fabulous week. I just got 2 new Marc Jacobs bags in the mail. I'm so eager to unwrap them, so I thought I would take you along on that journey. Let's get to it. So this one is the Marc Jacobs felt flannel tote. This is actually, it only comes in one size so far, and it is the small size. This is how it's wrapped. It is absolutely beautiful. Trying to unwrap this for you guys. Girl. The quality is amazing. Now this is flannel, it's polyester, but it's a flannel bag. And that's exactly what it feels like. You have the Marc Jacobs stitching right here, the Marc Jacobs stamp. So what caught my eye when I saw this bag was the beautiful like 3D embroidered logo. The tote bag, Marc Jacobs, is absolutely gorgeous. And you run your fingers over it and it feels so good. So this bag is trimmed in leather. You have leather on both sides. The handle is leather, and I love the little ridges on the handle. If you guys can see that, it's absolutely cute. And then you have this little handle here, and then it's leather at the bottom, and there are no feet. There are no feet on this bag, so you just be really careful when you're setting it down. And on the back here, you have the signature Marc Jacobs style information and all that in the back. On the inside of it though, this is what it looks like. Taking the paper out. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Absolutely beautiful, stunning bag, very spacious. There are 2 pockets on the inside. You have this pocket here and then this pocket right here, with another Marc Jacobs logo on the inside. So it's lined with the same polyester material that you have on the outside of the bag. So what I would suggest is if you're going to put items in this bag, like lipsticks, you know, makeup items, things that may run or drip, then you might want to put them in a separate compartment inside of the bag because it could definitely stain. But this is another look. I absolutely love this embroidery. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And it does come with a strap, so it's not only a tote, but you can use it as a tote or a crossbody. In case you're wondering, the hardware on the strap is silver. So take a look, silver hardware here and there, and then the buckle is also silver. So if you're not really a fan of silver, you don't necessarily have to use the strap that it comes with. They're interchangeable, and Marc Jacobs does offer some other straps that you can use. I like it because it's the thicker strap. It is plain, there's not really much to it, but it is of good quality. I would say pretty sturdy. You're not going to run into like breakage or fraying a lot on this one. The craftsmanship is really good. I'll likely wear this one as more so a tote, and on my lazy days when I will wear the strap to it that it comes with. So I like this one. It is absolutely gorgeous. And just to give you an idea of what fits, I'm just gonna put some random stuff in this bag so that you can see like how much it actually does fit. So we have this Gucci scarf that I just got in the mail. We're gonna put that in there. We're going to put some Halloween decorations, 3-pack. We have my Hydro flask that we're putting inside as well, because I never leave home without it. My cell phone, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max with, of course, a case on it, and we're going to put that in here as well. Because I can still fit some stuff in here so far, this is what it looks like. And let's add some Oreos. I'm gonna add some Oreos to this. So this is what it looks like, completely full. And of course, if you want to switch up what you have in there, you want to kind of change the position of what you put, it's going to hold a ton more. Obviously, I'm not going to put all this random stuff in my bag, but this is just to give you an idea as to how much capacity it actually has. So it's quite a bit. I recommend it. It is one of the different totes, but I love the color scheme of it all. It's super casual. You can dress it up if you want to as well, and it's very versatile. So I absolutely love this one. So if you're able to get it, you won't be disappointed. Now this is my other Marc Jacobs tote that I received in the mail as well. This one is all leather. It is the small size. They have a small, a mini, and I believe a travel size. It retails for $4.50, and that's because it's all leather, so it's going to be a lot more expensive. It's all black except for, of course, the writing on the front and this part of the writing in the back. But the interior capacity is the same. So this one retails again for $4.50, and this one retails for $3.75. You have both bags right here. They're absolutely beautiful. If you don't have one, definitely it is worth the investment into getting one. So I really hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you were on the fence about either one of these bags, please be no longer. I recommend that you get one. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, of course, and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another one of my videos. Thank you so much again for watching. Have a wonderful week and happy Halloween. Bye.